أهلان وسهلان. This is what we had today. I approached the market at 750, around 750. It's around here. Okay. Okay, so first, okay, you remember that Fibonacci retracement 50%. This is what happened yesterday. Now, I woke up, saw this shit. Okay. Okay. So, I saw this. I was here and I was like, okay, we have this big gap right here. We might just get back to it and, fill it. So, so in my head, I wanted to go short. I saw this and I was like, okay, maybe we could go short, okay, and exit around right here. So that's what happened. Okay, Wyckoff, somewhat of a Wyckoff, right here, ta-ta-ti-ti-ti-2, boom. Okay, why this was a bad idea to go short here? Probably we closed fully above the range. Okay, that's one. Every drop here had an upward tick, means that ayo, we wanted to go higher. In addition, this candle, the red one, opened in a gap. So this one closed right here, and this one opened in a gap, a really small gap. But when I see this gap, it kind of implies that, like, hey yo, my boy, I wanna like yo, like, stop holding me, my guy. Like, I wanna fly over there, my guy. Like, okay. Especially when it's like low volume. Like, look at this. This volume is nothing compared to what happens after 4:30. 4:30, my guy. Okay, so I saw this and I was like, okay, fuck it, let's go short, see what's up. So I go short. The moment I go short, it goes up. It goes up, it goes down. I'm entering 2 more points. Okay, I'm down bad. I'm down 430, 595, 495, plus this one, 495, 495, no, actually 595, yeah, 595 plus 200, okay, 600. I'm down 805, 805. I exit right here. I probably should have just like exited like here, like around this area. This would be a good stop loss, probably. Anywho, I saw crazy volume getting in. I saw crazy volume. I was like, okay, we're gonna break this range. Okay, we're gonna take this liquidity. I also saw that liquidity earlier, but I was like, okay, I think we might go down first. But yeah, this didn't happen. So this was a breaker, yeah, a gap of a breaker. This was also. So I was like, okay, fuck it. I'm just gonna get in, and if it goes back, I'm just gonna exit. I'm gonna exit, or like trail my stop loss. We also had this gap, which were really like, it was in my like here it's the 30 minutes, but in the 15 minutes you're gonna see the gap. Okay, perfect. 15-minute chart, 'cause I'm back. Okay, so we had liquidity right here, a gap to fill between here and here. Okay, another gap right here, another gap right here. But the first target I was looking for was getting to this gap. Okay, and also this liquidity right here. Anywho, this is what happened. Okay, on the 5 minutes, I had this gap, and I put my take profits according to the gap. Okay, I had this gap over here as well, but I was like, you know what, I'm satisfied with getting into that gap, and that's it. Okay, I went with 4 minis, so that's something. Okay, then I get in long. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I get out right here. I get back to break even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I get back to break even. I hold 1, 2, and I lose it right here. I'm around break even at that time. Then I go short from here. I was like, okay, we might go short now, and I don't know, fill this gap, get back right here. It didn't happen. And then I went long again, because I was like, okay, bro, we're probably gonna push up and fill that gap, which what happened. 10-10 was amazing. So I get in. Okay, we didn't get back to this breaker gap. I went in, boom, 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 boom. Take profit 1 was, take profit 1 was, I think, in the middle of the range. Somewhat the middle of the range. We had liquidity here. Where is it? Okay, anyway, around the middle of the range. Okay, 2 contracts, 3rd contract right here. Okay, and that's it, yo. I actually had 4 contracts. I got out with 2 right here, 1 right here, and the last one at the end of the gap. Perfect exit. Perfect exit. Okay, right after we dropped and we got back up to this gap, and then we just fucking dropped completely. We did end up going where I thought we're gonna go first. So I was targeting this as my last target. I targeted this as my first target, or maybe this as my first and then my second. So, and this one as well. But yeah, it didn't happen, my guy. Anywho, we just pumped. I'm up a good amount, not gonna lie. It was a good day. Good day. Today and yesterday, pretty nice setups. Although I lost a lot of money in the beginning, I might have just gotten the L and moved on. But I was kind of confident seeing that price action. Was like, hey, yo, we want to go up, my guy. This unfilled gap, a lot to go back up. Yeah, the volume was very low, and we also went up with ease. So I was like, okay, my guy, like, we're gonna probably get into this gap and see what's up. So I started trading at probably around 750 and exited completely at 10:10. 7:58 until 10, 2 hours, 2 hours 20 minutes. And I was moving, you know, I was like getting ready to work. I took my laptop with me. I was with my eyes on it. Very nice setup. Very nice setup. Yeah, buddy. Okay. That's it for today.